Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to be telling you 5 different tips and tricks that you can apply when you are using your MacBook. So these are not very major tips and tricks, but they can help you a lot when doing your work on your Mac and saving a lot of your time. The first trick or tip is that if you take a lot of screenshots on your Mac, then there are simple shortcuts for it. If you want to take screenshot of the entire page, just click on Command Shift 3 on your keyboard and the entire page screenshot will be taken. If you want to take screenshot of a particular area, just click on Command Shift 4 and now you have this selector, so you can take screenshot of a particular area. You can then view it and just simply save it, and they will be saved on your desktop. The second trick or tip is that if you use Spotlight a lot, which you use with the command space and then you search for it, the built-in Spotlight has some limited functionalities, but if you want to supercharge the functionality of Spotlight so that it can find much more files within your Mac, then you're going to download and install this free app which is called Alfred. Just download the Alfred app and you're going to install on your Mac. Now if you click on command space, it will open Spotlight, but it will have Alfred in it. So now if you type anything, like in my case Figma, it will not only show you the application but all the other files that it sees within your Mac. So this is much more powerful if you use Spotlight a lot. The third trick or tip is that if you use AirDrop a lot, or if you eject different media, then you can have shortcuts on your Finder window. So for that, just open Finder and you're going to have this top toolbar. You can actually have those shortcuts right here for easy and quick access. For that, double tap on the top bar, click on Customize toolbar. Here you have different options that you can place, but in my case I'm going to place AirDrop and eject because I use these two things a lot. After that, I'm going to click on done. So now if you click on any file, you can see you have this AirDrop option enabled. You can just click on it and easily AirDrop it with your other devices or friends. The fourth shortcut is that how you can cut and paste files on your Mac or MacBook. So there are two different ways. The first way is to drag and drop the file, so it will be pasted on that folder. But let's say the folder is not directly present here, you want to paste it inside some other folder. So for that, click on the file, click on Command C to copy the file, open the destination folder. So let's say I'm going to paste it right here. Now in order to move the file, you're going to click on Option Command V, and now you can see the file has been moved. So basically this is cut and paste like you have in Windows. The last tip or trick is that if you are using your MacBook in the dark, like at night time, and if you are unable to see the keys on your keyboard, then you can enable the backlights on your Mac or MacBook. For that, click on Command space and you're going to type keyboard. Here you will see the option keyboard brightness if your keyboard has lights, so you can increase the intensity of the light and your keyboard will be lit up. So this will make your work much easier at dark if you're typing or coding. Like, this option is very helpful for me when I'm working at the night time. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and enable bell notification. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.